Ladies and gentlemen, we're back to the channel. We're back to cooking. It's been a few weeks, or it's been a little bit longer. We had the holiday season. We have kids sports going on, all the craziness with coronavirus still hanging around. So today we're back at it finally in the 3rd or 4th week of January. We're gonna be doing this HelloFresh meal. It's a 1-pan sweet chili turkey lettuce wraps. So I've never used one of these. This is for a friend, so I'm doing some personal chef and training. So she orders these, so I thought it'd be fun to try cooking this, go step by step. And for any of you guys who get these at home, this should be a cool one to follow and try. So this is the HelloFresh sweet turkey lettuce wrap. So we're gonna do that today. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in this bag. Have our romaine lettuce, cilantro, bell pepper, onion, peanuts, our little sauce, not sure what's in that, another chili sauce, or sweet chili sauce, and our lime. It's actually pretty cool. I can see how people would like this. Everything comes set, ready, pretty cool. So let's get into this chopping. On medium, and it says add 1 teaspoon of sugar, a couple tablespoons of water, and toast 3 to 5 minutes, and then set aside. So we'll get our peanuts. Those in there. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of, it says sugar, but I'm gonna use agave. A little there, and then a little bit of water. Two tablespoons of water. All right, so those are toasted. And then it says wipe out the pan, and we're gonna go to the 3rd step. Turn that up a little. All right, I'm gonna season salt and pepper. So our peppers have been cooking and onions for 3 or 4 minutes. Gonna wipe this out again. Actually, that's okay. We're gonna go here, we're gonna put a little oil again. And we are going to get the ground turkey in. Wash my hands. Season this up. All right, it's getting close here, so I'm gonna add the veggies back in. It says to do. That says add some butter. Like that never happened. All right, last step is to add the packets. So this is our sweet soy glaze and the chili sauce. That looks pretty good. All right, so this is done. Our turkey mixture. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Yeah, that's pretty good. So to finish it, maybe double them up. It is warm. It's always a little weird to me, right? Putting a warm mixture with lettuce, but this mixture by itself is pretty good. That'd be good with just rice. So let's finish it off. So you put a scoop. Yeah, that's gonna happen right there. And you put a little bit of, oh, our peanuts got nice and crunchy right there. Some cilantro and a squeeze of lime. All right, so let's give the whole deal a bite. Yeah, those are good. Those are definitely something, if you like to cook and have all your ingredients sent to you and already prepped. I mean, this is a pretty cool idea. And I'm not sure how much the cost is on this stuff. You know, it's obviously always going to be cheaper for you to go and get it, but the time saved, the convenience of having all the ingredients in the box, and you like cooking at home, I think this is a great idea. Give it a try. This is the HelloFresh one-pan sweet chili turkey lettuce wraps. All right, everybody, we'll see you on the next one.